Paris. So what is this, a King Burgundy suite?
Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel
view.
Tower view, okay. So it's just one room, king bed, kind of a side seat ottoman situation. 2 side tables, 2 lamps. We got 6 drawers. Entertainment center with the safe and fridge for personal use. This is the closets on the side, which is kind of cool. 3 more big drawers, another closet, ironing board, luggage rack. Desk, work light, work chair, also a chair for television. Those are all the chairs in the room. The air conditioner, it looks like it's kind of all digital. It seems to be flowing very well and working well. And then the view, this is an Eiffel Tower view, which is actually a great view. So you can see the pool, and then the Eiffel Tower, and then across the way you can see the Bellagio fountains when they go off. And you have a great view of Bellagio as well. So the bathroom has some Paris toiletries, single vanity sink, large mirror. It's just one room, it's just an open area. Toilet, and actually a really large shower, which is kind of nice, and an extra large shower head and handle. This is a giant shower. So that's a